MBA, MMS, anybody can do it, everyone can do it. You can do it from D.Y. Patil, you can do it from reputed universities like Mumbai. No problem. Everybody can do it. What you need is just give entrance for regular course. If you are not in a position to go for regular, no tension. Go for digital mode, go for distance mode, go for weekend classes, absolutely no problem. Now question comes that, shall I do MBA? Is it necessary? Yes, it is necessary, need of an hour. Why? Because in present situation, in present employment opportunities, in pandemic situation, we all are getting disturbed and panic. Don't get disturbed, don't get panic. Get prepared for upcoming opportunities and future perspectives. After pandemic situation, there will be a huge market demand for all goods, services and employment market, not only in India but abroad. My question is, are you prepared? Get prepared. Nobody is going to wait for you. Opportunity is never going to wait for you. You have to get not only common specialization in MBA like marketing, finance, operation, production. We have 30 specializations available. Pharmaceutical market, you can take specialization. Digital market, you can take specialization. You can do specialization in not only normal financial management, you can do international financial management also. You can do international market also. There will be huge employment opportunity. Get prepared, get set. If you want to take regular admission in Mumbai University, just fill the online examination form of entrance on MHCET site and appear the entrance. No problem. 30 specialization on digital platform. You can take digital lectures, digital exams, everything. Question comes of finance. How I will pay the fees? From where I'll get the fees? No problem. You can arrange the fees. You can pay in installment. You can get the bank loan from the financial institution also. Expenses in education is a wise investment, my dear. Get prepared. Right now you start your perspective for MBA in a very selective postal management, warehousing, logistics management. Various specializations we have. You can choose. You can take weekend classes. You can take Sunday classes. No problem. In pandemic, you take online classes. No problem. Get prepared. Opportunities are waiting for you. But if you are not prepared, you won't get what you want. My dear, entrance, you want to give. No problem. See your graduation, specialization, discuss with the experts, choose your specialization, start your MBA in this academic year. After 1 year, pandemic situation will be normal worldwide. Opportunity will knock your door. You must be prepared. Are you prepared? My question again, my dear, are you prepared? Thank you very much.